Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll explain what the Discord app is and show you exactly how to use it, whether you're chatting with friends or joining game communities or working on group projects. Let's get started. Discord is a free communication app that lets you talk, chat and share content with people through text, voice and video. It is popular among gamers, but today it's used by all kinds of communities from study groups and hobby clubs to work teams. You can create your own server or join existing ones, organize conversations into channels, and even share your screen during calls. Now, to use it, first you have to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then search Discord on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and tap on install and open up your app. Once you're in, either create a free account or log in if you already have one. You need to enter your email, a username, and a password to get started. Now, after you're in, to join a server, tap the plus icon on the left side. So there's the plus icon at the left side of your page. Tap on that, then select join a server and paste an invite link you got from friends or community. Then to create your own server, tap on create my own at the top of your page and then give it a name, pick an icon and invite people to join. Once you're inside a server, you'll see channels, a hashtag symbol where you can type messages, share photos, videos or links. Then voice channels have a speaker icon. Join these to talk in real time. Your friends list and direct messages are available by tapping the chat bubble icon on the top left or swiping from the left side. In a text channel or DM, just tap the message box to type. You can add emojis and GIFs, attach images or files and tag people by typing their username. This also helps get someone's attention very quickly. Now to start talking, join a voice channel and tap connect to voice. From here, you can turn on video to have a face-to-face chat or share your screen to show others what you're doing. Then now tap the profile icon in the bottom right to open your settings. From here you can change your username, set a status like online or do not disturb and adjust privacy or notification preferences so you're not overwhelmed with alerts. So this is how you can use the Discord app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.